Choosing the site, watermelons need a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Before planting, the soil is often enriched with compost or manure to provide nutrients. Planting seeds. Watermelon seeds are planted in warm soil. In cooler climates, they can be started indoors and then transplanted outside when the weather warms up. Watering. Watermelons need lots of water, especially during the early stages of growth and when the fruit is developing. It's important to water at the base to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to disease. Spacing. Plants need room to spread out. They are usually spaced about 2 to 3 feet apart in rows that are 6 to 8 feet apart. This helps the vines spread out and the fruit to grow without being crowded. Pollination. Watermelon flowers must be pollinated to produce fruit. This is often done by bees. Sometimes farmers help by hand-pollinating flowers to ensure fruit production. Weeding and mulching. Keeping the area around watermelons weed-free is important. Mulching helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and keep the soil temperature stable. Watching for pests and diseases. Common issues like aphids, cucumber beetles, and fungal diseases can affect watermelons. Farmers monitor plants and use appropriate methods to control problems. Harvesting. Watermelons are ready to harvest when they sound hollow when tapped. The underside turns yellow and the tendril nearest the fruit dries up. Farmers cut watermelons from the vine with a sharp knife. Storage and transport. After harvesting, watermelons can be stored in a cool place before being transported to markets or stores. They have a shelf life of about 2 to 3 weeks if kept cool. Enjoying the fruit. Finally, watermelons are sliced open and enjoyed for their sweet, refreshing taste. They're a popular treat, especially in the summer. Choosing the site, watermelons need a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Before planting,